We have promising new antiviral pills on the horizon that could help prevent hospitalizations and death for people infected by COVID-19. We've secured enough supply of these pills already, and early indications are that these treatments will remain effective in the face of Omicron. We don't know that for sure yet, but that's the hope and expectation.